Rise of Kings and Queens, we are here in Paradise View to tour this lovely 3-bedroom fixer-upper house. You heard right, it's a 3-bedroom fixer-upper house for sale. Okay, so Paradise View is in close proximity to Sukuta, Turntable, The Gambia, and the beach, of course. Let's go in and see what this 3-bedroom has to offer. Right where I'm standing is the veranda, or the front porch for that matter. Where I was earlier was the carport where we will park our vehicles. On to my left right here is a storage room, and we'll be entering now. Alright, follow me. Alright, so right here where I'm standing is the entryway, and of course, you know, once you enter, you want to see that vibe going on. So you will be walking right into the living room from the entryway. To my left also is a guest bathroom. It's a half bathroom, fitted out. Let's take a look in. It's fitted out. I like the use of this space, by the way, guys, because as you can tell, there's a staircase going up at this side, and the use of the space here is perfect. And I'm all for that. So it's fitted out with a mirror already, face basin and toilet. Alright, and of course, look at the door, guys. It's fresh, it's new. And what we get to understand from this property is that the owner had purchased this property like 3 years ago, but hasn't lived in it based on our understanding. So it's fairly new, just that it's been 3 years that, you know, it has been bought and not lived in totally. Alright, so I'm now in the living room. As you can see, to my right, we're going to be entering into the dining slash, so this is where you can have your dining area. And to my left of the dining area will be the kitchen. Alright, so here we have our cupboards and our wash area. Alright, and that's a back door entering out to the back. We will take you there shortly. It's a bit bushy now because the property hasn't been as upkept, but it's a nice fixer-upper, of course, that you can make use of. Alright. So now let's tour the first bedroom that is located here on the ground floor. Alright, this is a nice sized bedroom, I must say. Yeah. And I love the doors. It's beautiful. You can see that they are fresh. The doors are really fresh. We also have a bathroom here. This one is not half. Just that the shower section is a bit small. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna be going upstairs now after this. If you want to get in the spot.
I think the house is nice,
you like it?
But I just need a little bit of cleaning up, you know, renovation. Guys, it's basically next to new house. And
Exactly,
there's
so
not a lot of work to be done on it.
Exactly so.
So, you know, you buy it, you paint it, and you move inside. I really like it. Like, it's basically new. And no one has ever lived here before. That's also a nice sell point for me.
Yeah.
And the location is very nice. Paradise View is very a sought after place. Like you're turning off the lights on me.
I'm sorry, huh?
Yeah. So, where are we gonna start, my man?
Alright, so guys, we are up the stairs, as you can see. What I do love about walking up the stairs is when we get to that nice curve, and you will see that long open window section that will allow for natural light inside and fresh air.
That is true.
Now, the first space that you will see upstairs would be the bedroom, one of the bedrooms, so let's tour that one. Okay. Okay, so this is another bedroom. You know, it's a 3-bedroom, as I said. And we're just seeing the first bedroom on the ground floor. So now we're here on the second floor of this house. And this is the second bedroom.
I like it, and I like that every room have AC, it has its own ceiling fan, and I like that you have 2 windows here that you can see outside.
That's right.
I really like that.
And I do love the doors. I must say, I do love the doors. That grey tone, you know, really does a lot. So we're also here in this small bathroom as well. Nice mirrors. Nice tiles. You know, this is, I think this might be for a kid's room because you have small face basin here and a small toilet. But the showers are a bit high for kids though, but we can work that out, right?
That is true.
Okay, so that's it for the second bedroom. Let's now go to...
Wait, don't go outside yet.
Oh, not outside yet.
We soon go out there, show them.
So we're entering now into the master bedroom, and this master bedroom has what you call the
mood lights.
Mood lights, all fitted out into this, and the mood lights. So you know that will help to set the mood for couples. You get me?
Anybody at all. It's not just for couples, but
yeah, anybody who wants to get in the mood. But anyway, so the master bedroom is fitted out with a nice closet, which they will be showing us shortly.
yeah.
Yeah, but this is the bathroom right here.
This is like an ensuite.
Yeah, this is like an ensuite. So, ta-da! Yeah. So these are fresh, like new stuff that is been here, but because it hasn't been used. So, as I told you earlier, it's a fixer-upper, you know. So there's a lot you can do with a space like this.
That is true.
I was mentioning about the closet. Ta-da! Your little walk-in closet.
It's
Your
long.
clothes can be hung here or up to the side, and then you have your small shelves. Yeah, you could have a little vanity area here. You sit and do your makeups for those ladies who love to do their makeups.
Yeah, so I like this bedroom. It's very big. I can see my master bed, my king size bed around here. Yeah, some nice decor items, maybe something on the wall, you know, to make it. Ooh, check this door out.
Wow.
The door is nice as usual.
It's been a while, so you see even the things are fresh.
Yeah.
Haven't been used.
Ooh,
wow.
We're going outside.
So we're going in.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so the advantage with this master bedroom is that you can walk straight out to the balcony, the front balcony. And I like the you know, last time we showed a house in Sokoto, it had that pergola vibe. So this one is, that one was wood, this one is more the concrete, showing you that vibe. So yeah.
I like it. I mean,
I do like it. So
and then it's within a nice community area, as you can see. This is a gated community, by the way.
Exactly.
So you know, it's well safe. As I said, guys, it's fixer-upper. So you see, there's a little renovation that you have to do, like to paint back these sections here, you know, to make it look nice again. But it's dope.
Also a little space where you can walk down.
Like a step down vibes, like.
Down vibe.
You can sit outlook.
Right, so you're unlooking from the balcony, you're unlooking into your garage and your front lawn, you know. And as we mentioned, it's a fixer-upper property. It's situated on a 20 by 40 land size, and the house is fairly huge, but it has a lot more space at the back.
That is true. That is true. Yeah, for me, it's very nice.
Door is also a door that you can enter from the staircase side.
That is true.
Alright, we'll see that later on.
But it's nice though, it's a very lovely house. I really love it. So now, are we going outside?
Yeah, we're going, but let me just off these lights.
Okay, so now?
Alright guys, so we've seen the inside, and we've seen the front yard. Let's go around to the back.
Alright. What do you call this? Edges plants.
You know, I don't remember the name of these ones. But it's funny because I leave Jamaica where I grew up seeing them, and they're here as well.
Something else that I like about this house is the way that it's designed, like with these huge windows thing. So guys, another thing that the house is not necessarily renovated yet. As we said, nobody has lived here since it was bought. So that's why you're seeing this bush, but they will be cleared when somebody is interested in it.
Alright, so we are at the back. And this is what we will call the boys' quarters. You can use it for many different purposes if you choose, but this is the boys' quarters, and we're going to show you the extra kitchen around here.
Yeah. So you can live out the back.
Yeah, you could live out the back. Alright, so imagine you are using this kitchen right here, and you have this nice lawn in front of you.
You mean this lawn?
Yes, this nice lawn in front of you, and it has all those nice chairs and you know those nice outdoor setting that you can entertain guests with.
I know.
Yeah, just imagine that. All right, guys. So now we're in this small kitchen, and we just off the lights.
I off it.
Yeah, so it has a small window to look out. You have the sink area for washing your dishes, and I think you can keep your dustbin here, or if anything, you'll be using the stove outside, I guess. So you have your grill outside that you use. A nice counter area. I really do love this space.
It's almost as big as our kitchen.
Yeah, where we are. And this is the store section, or you call it pantry, where you can store extra food and stuff like that.
Yeah, I like it. It's nice, spacious, small but spacious. Love it. Okay, so.
Alright, so we are on to the next side here. Looking in, you can see a bathroom. That's where the gate person or a security person will use. This is a storage to my right, and to my left is where the security would reside.
So you could have like a security here, and you could have maybe here like a cleaner live here or something that you can maintain the property. Yeah guys, so this is the back of the house. It's very nice design. That's the door leading from the kitchen that is right there. This is a room, that's a room, that's a bathroom. I mean, this house is nice.
Alright, so you might be wondering why to the left over here there is barbed wires, and and why is that high and why is that low. But this is how the estate was designed initially. To my right, that's what you're seeing there. The estate was designed like this, and so the owners of the next property next door added on that.
So that's also an option for you if you want.
You can have that option as well.
Yes. Okay.
Okay guys, so we've just completed the tour of this 3-bedroom. You could almost call it an ensuite because every bedroom has a bathroom basically. But yes, so it's a 3-bedroom house situated on a 20 by 40 property, our piece of land, and this property is located in Paradise View, not far from Turntable, not far from Sakuta, not far from the major stuff that you really need to have access to.
Hey guys, so we're wrapping up the tour. You don't know if you want more information about this house, check the description. And you know how we do it.
Yeah, you know how we do it, guys.
How we do it.
Feet on the ground,
working and letting it work. So guys, yeah, this is it.